We are LHM, a leading Czech producer of CNC machine tools. We present to you the 3-axis PM machining center in the lower gantry version. The ideal solution for machining large format plates made of aluminum, composites, plastics, and wood. We offer a choice of 3 types of spindles, with power from 10.5 kilowatts to 18 kilowatts, allowing you to adapt the machine exactly to your production needs. In addition, it is equipped with an advanced Heidenhain control system, which guarantees precise and reliable results. In addition, the option of configuring with touch probes allows you to achieve even greater efficiency and flexibility. Visit our website and discover how LHM can help you achieve your manufacturing goals.